You're busy running your business. And every time you think about having to post on social media, it feels like a giant time suck and another thing that you just have to do. So you sit there staring at your screen, wondering what on earth should you post? And the only thing that comes to mind is going to be another generic, boring sales pitch that you definitely don't even want to write. I'm here to help fix this. I'm going to be sharing 10 easy scroll stopping ideas that are designed for entrepreneurs like you who don't have hours to spend on marketing, but still want to show up, connect, and grow your business. Let's be honest, you don't have time to spend hours brainstorming posts and trying to figure out what you should be doing. You don't have time to pay attention to algorithm updates. You just need simple, effective ideas that actually connect with your audience and show off your expertise without taking over your entire day. In this video, I'm going to break down for you 10 proven content ideas grouped into 3 powerful categories: authority building posts, engagement posts, and of course, business connection posts. These are the same strategies that we use here at the Cast Agency for our clients, and I promise that they work, even if you think your business is too boring for social media. Idea number 1 is going to be show real life behind the scenes. People don't want another polished corporate looking post. They want to know who they're buying from. Share behind the scenes look at your day, maybe in prepping for a client call or packing up an order, or even the controlled chaos of your workspace on a Monday morning. A local bakery could post the early morning hustle of kneading dough. A contractor could share a quick walkthrough of a project site. These glimpses take your business from boring to relatable and help you build trust. Idea number 2 is to highlight your favorite local places. Community-driven content performs better than you think because it connects with your audience already loves. If you're in a small town or a close-knit community, creating posts like my favorite lunch spot near the office or 3 local places that we recommend to anyone new in town, those are chef's kiss. A realtor could share a carousel of the best coffee shops in the neighborhood. A dance studio could share a photo of their favorite after-class snack spot. These are kinds of posts that are very simple to make and remind people that you're part of the community. Number 3 is going to be quick tips that solve real problems. Don't overthink this, okay? What's one small piece of advice that you can share today, right now? A CPA might post one thing that you can do today to save your next year's taxes. A fitness studio could post 3 moves you can do at your desk when you are short on time. These quick tips position you as a go-to expert in your field without giving away the farm. 4, client or customer wins. Show off the people that you've helped. Share a customer testimonial, a transformation story, or even a simple thank you message. A cleaning company could post before and after shots of a recently completed job. A coach could share how a client finally hit their big milestones. It's not bragging, it's showing the real impact of what you do. Now, if you're listening to these ideas and thinking, I just need someone to map this out for me because I am so overwhelmed, I got you. I put these 10 ideas into my free social media strategy map that you can plug directly into your business. It takes all the guesswork out of content planning so that you can post with confidence. Make sure you grab that with the link I have for you down in the description below. Number 5, let's talk about FAQ posts. Questions people ask you over and over and over. Turn them into content. A quick video answering what's the difference between a will and a trust, or how often should I have my furnace serviced, saves you time and it positions you as the expert. If people are asking, that means that they care. And the more helpful you are, the more they trust you. Number 6, community highlights or shoutouts. Featuring other businesses or community partners that you love. Oh man, let's say you're a wellness coach. Highlight the local juice bar or yoga studio that you adore. A photographer could share their favorite locations for photo shoots in town. Not only does this build connection with your audience, but it often encourages those businesses to share your posts too. 7 is seasonal or trending content. Tie your post to what's happening right now. If you're in real estate, talk about how to prep a home for the fall market. If you're a florist, share your top 3 arrangements for Mother's Day. You could even create a top 5 things to do in town this weekend. Posts like this aim to stay local and keep you relevant. Idea 8, mini how-to tutorials. Teach something in a simple step-by-step format. Show how to style a product, how to use a service, or even share 3 steps to blah, 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 blah. For example, a dog groomer could say 3 easy ways to keep your dog's coat shining in between appointments. Just keep it short and actionable, and it's going to work so well for you. Idea 9 is to bust a myth or share your opinion. Your audience pays attention when you tell them something that they didn't expect. A personal trainer could post why working out 7 days a week might be hurting your progress. A business coach, they could say, no, you don't need to be on every social platform to succeed. These posts grab attention and spark conversation. Idea 10 is going to be this or that, polls, or quick engagement pops. Sometimes the easiest posts are the ones that simply get people talking. Ask your audience to choose between 2 local pizza places. Post a carousel of which local landmark do you love most? Or do a quick fill in the blank with the best part of living in city name here. These are quick to create and great for sparking comments with your following. Now, once you've done all of this, it's time to keep making these ideas work for you by batching them out. Take an hour and pick 3 or 5 of these ideas and knock them out for the week. Not only will you feel organized, but you'll start seeing more engagement because you're posting content people actually want to see and engaging with it. And when you schedule it out, it's going to work so well for you. Here's the thing, social media is a fantastic way to build a funnel for your business, but you need a strategy in order for you to do it right. So once you watch this video that I have for you right here, walk you through 5 easy steps to putting together an effective social media strategy that you can do right now.